Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out this little potion healing kit kind of thing I got here. I'll show you the different pieces of it right now. So we can open it up, and this is a little bottle to put your stuff in. It comes with a little even keychain hooker thing here so you can hang it on something. It's got a little rubber stopper. You can fill it up with whatever things you have in there. It's, I don't know what it's made of. It's like a resin of some sort, but it looks nice there. And then we have the cleaning brush here so you can clean inside of it. So if you do decide to switch things out, you have that. And then we have a nice little bracelet too. You see, I like to wear these little beaded bracelets, and this one comes with one as well. So look at that. So it's a whole nice little kit with everything you need, or you can just put this around it if you want to, if you just want to have it on there. But nice little set here. It's cute and good. And what else is in there? Something here with stickers. I'm not sure what these say, but it's not in my language. But I guess you can put those on here if you want to. So it's kind of cool, neat little setup here. I like it, thumbs up.